everyone, this is me Deboshmita Sharkar. Today we are going to start with a new topic which is of William Shakespeare. So let's begin. William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was baptized on 26th April, means was born, but we don't know actually did he born on 26th April 1564 or not. Okay, so we can baptize it that he was born on 26th April 1564 and died on 23rd April 1616. Was an English poet, playwright, and actor, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. He is often called the England's national poet and bard of Avon, or simply the bard. His extant works, including collaboration, consist of some 39 plays, 154 sonnets, 2 long narrative poems, and a few other verses, some of uncertain authorship. His plays have been translated into every major living language and are performed more often than those of any other playwright. Early life of William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was the son of John Shakespeare, an elder man and a successful glove maker, originally from Snitterfield, and Mary Arden, the daughter of an affluent landowning farmer. He was born in Stratford upon Avon, where he was baptized on 26th April 1564. His date of birth is unknown, but he traditionally observed on 23rd April, which is Saint George's Day. This date, which can be traced on a mistake made by an 18th century scholar, has proved appealing to biographers because Shakespeare died on the same date in 1616. He was the third of 8 children and the eldest surviving children. Shakespeare's coat of arms as it appears on the rough draft of the application to grant a coat of arms to John Shakespeare, it features a spear as a pun on the family name. After the birth of the twins, Shakespeare left few historical traces until he is mentioned as part of the London theatre scene in 1592. The exception is the appearance of his name in the Complaints Bill of a law case before the Queen's Bench Court at Westminster, dated Michaelmas term 1588 and 9th October 1589. Scholars refer to the years between 1585 and 1592 as Shakespeare's lost years. Biographers attempting to account for this period have reported many apocryphal stories. Nicholas Raway, Shakespeare's first biographer, recounted a Stafford legend that Shakespeare fled the town for London to escape persecution for deer poaching in the estate of local squire Thomas Lacy. Shakespeare is also supposed to have taken his revenge on Lucy by writing a scurrilous ballad upon him. Another 18th century story has Shakespeare starting his theatrical career minding the horses of theatre patrons in London. John Aubrey reported that Shakespeare had been a country school master. Some 20th century scholars have suggested that Shakespeare may have been employed as a schoolmaster by Alexander Horton of Lancashire, a Catholic landowner who named certain William Shakespeare in his will. Little evidence substantiates such stories other than hearsay collected after his death, and Shakespeare was a common name in the Lancashire area. Now we will know about the teenage life of William Shakespeare. Although no attendance records for the periods survive, most biographers agree that Shakespeare was probably educated at the King's New School in Stafford, a free school chartered in 1553 about a quarter mile, 400 mile from his home. Grammar schools varied in quality during the Elizabethan era, but grammar school curricula were largely similar. The basic Latin text was standardized by royal decree, and the school would have provided an intensive education in grammar based upon Latin classical authors. At the age of 18, Shakespeare married 26-year-old Anne Hathaway. The consistory court of the Diocese of Worcester issued a marriage license on 27th November 1582. The next day, two of Hathaway's neighbors posted bonds guaranteeing that no lawful claims impeded the marriage. The ceremony may have been arranged in some haste since the Worcester Chancellor allowed the marriage banns to be read once instead of the usual 3 times, and 6 months after the marriage, Anne gave birth to a daughter, Susanna, baptized on 26th May 1583. Twins, son Hamnet and daughter Judith, followed almost 2 years later and were baptized on 2nd February 1585. Hamnet died of unknown causes at the age of 15 and was buried on 11th August 1596. So here we can see the family of William Shakespeare, the birth of the birth month or the birth year or the birth date of the whole family of William Shakespeare is unknown to the whole world. Awards won by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare won the Lucille Lortel Awards for Outstanding Revival. Apart from this title, Shakespeare Hamlet was nominated for Oscar for Best Screenplay of that time, but unfortunately no win was gained. No such awards are received by Shakespeare, as after his death all her writing started gaining popularity. Famous works of William Shakespeare. Romeo and Juliet in 1595. The Merchant of Venice, it was written in 1 year, 1595 to 1596. Henry V, 1597 to 1599. Much Ado About Nothing, 1598. Hamlet, 1601. Three Kings Night, 1601 to 1602. Othello, 1603 to 4. King Lear, 1605 to 1606. Macbeth, 1606. And the last is Coriolanum, 1608. There are more works, but I have listed only 10. Now I am going to show you a very short poem, which a popular poem which is Sonnet 18. So there will be a narration on this poem. So let's hear the narration.
Sonnet 18 by William Shakespeare. Read for LibriVox.org by Bruce Kachuk. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day, thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds do shake the darling buds of May, and summer's lease hath all too short a date. Sometime too hot the eye of heaven shines, and often is his gold complexion dimmed, and every fair from fair sometime declines, by chance or nature's changing course untrimmed. But thy eternal summer shall not fade, nor lose possession of that fair thou owest, nor shall death brag thou wanderest in his shade, when in eternal lines to time thou growest. So long as men can breathe, or eyes can see, so long lives this, and this gives life to thee.
So here is a short
End of
narration.
poem.
So here is a
Recording
short
is in the public
narration
domain.
on this poem. So thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. So bye. Stay home and stay safe and also save lives.